Yes, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, everybody. Now
Good
we are
evening.
hosting a talk show from Sai Entertainment by Rinki Sharma, and I, as a chatterbox, Bagisha is here now to conduct and to converse with a teacher from Kolkata. And as we know, teachers, they are the second parents of ours for the children. And children, they build the nation, and they are the foundation of the nation. And the teachers, they teach us, they train us, they train our mind. So, in conversation with the teacher from Kolkata. Welcome to the show, Sai Entertainment by Rinki Sharma. This talk show, welcome, and we are very happy and honored to have you on the show. Please introduce yourself. Say something about yourself, please.
Good evening, everyone. I love you all. My name is Mrs. Ramchandani. My name is Nisha Ramchandani. I love to dream a lot. I have a lot of ambition in my life, and I take a pride in introducing myself, firstly, as a woman, because as a proud mother, but last not the least, as a mentor, a teacher, a friend, and a guide for all my lovely children since children days coming up, and I really would like to bless all of them and wish them a very happy children's day. And I have struggled a lot in my life, so I want there should be a woman power should be the strongest. Like, who were the people behind me was always a woman. Firstly, my mother, my teachers, my colleagues, and there were many supporters in my life. Like, one was when I was teaching in a Montessori school, it was Mrs. Sonia Burman, Rekha Sachdeva. Like, they are the greatest supporters in my life. And I love to be with children. I love to be with them always. I love to enjoy with them. The fun which I
Absolutely.
get from them is the most, like, I forget all my pains, the whatever pains I had seen in my life. I forget, I just don't see the time. Like, since now, during this pandemic, our classes are going on. I just like to talk and talk and talk with them and have a, like, I just forget everything. So that is only my life.
But tell me one thing, like why you this, being a teacher is such a noble job, you know. So
Yes,
why,
ma'am.
like you from the beginning you wanted to be a teacher, or you had some other ambition and then ended up being a teacher? Like just a few words, if you can just share with us, you know, how you ended up becoming a
Yes,
teacher.
I had lots and lots of dreams in my life. Like, it was never ending. Where whatever my mother, she always approached me. She told me, whatever you want to learn in life, just go ahead. So I have done the beautician course, receptionist course, bakery, cooking, everything I have done just because I wanted somewhere satisfaction, which I got in my teaching line. So first I
So
was a
you're
Montessori.
multi-talented. You're a
Yes, yes.
multi-talented lady. Yeah,
Yes, and
correct.
still I want to learn. I want to become an RJ now. After getting inspired by you and Vicky Sharma, I really want to become an RJ. It is my dream also. I hope if I can become. Like, I like to
Why
think,
not? Why?
I mean, the pains which I have gone through, I want that the women should always be happy. Like, I always hear the comments from everyone, how you keep yourself happy. So that is touch wood, by God's grace. I always try to show my positive vibes to the other people.
That's what, like if you emit positivity, you attract positivity, you know.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
yeah,
Yes, right.
you give it to the world, it comes back to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
that's such a noble thought you have, yes. And like, what other hobbies do you have? Like, once you're not teaching, what all you pursue as your personal grooming, or what are your interests?
I enjoy. I do yoga a lot. I go every day morning walk at 5:30, and I play music. I have learned synthesizer. Now I'm learning at this age. I'm learning guitar. I have a son also who always says, "Mama, you're always going everywhere. You like to do everything." He also calls me a multi-talented mother. He's 23 years
A
old. Like,
Wonder
I'm a,
Woman, a Wonder Woman that you are.
yes. I would like to become a Wonder Woman.
You are already, and you must be encouraging your students, you know, the parents, and the parents also must be so proud of you, you know, being a teacher
Yes.
like you, that the children are being trained in good hands, you
Yes.
know, safe hands. So that is so
Right.
important. Like still till date, you know, whatever we are today, it is because of the teachers that we
Yes.
have,
Yes.
such a grooming we have. and school always is a second home for a child,
Right,
So
ma'am.
having
I
having
always
such a
tell my children, once you are in the class, I am your mother. Once you are out of the class, you're mummy, papa's children. So once you are in my class, I always tell you, all are my children in my class. All are my children, and one son I have. So they all are so excited. Like the victory of smile, which I see in their eyes, it's really gleaming. Like I really enjoy watching them. The fun which we have, they enjoy with me the class.
And
We
they
just
must
wait
be
for a moment.
to have a teacher like you, you're so multi-talented. You can convey so many things to them, teach
Yes.
them so many things other than
And
your
I get a
subject.
lot of positive comments like from my parents also. I'm very graceful. I'm thankful to God that I'm in such a reputed school in Loreto House. And our principal, she is a very good principal, Mrs. Gomes. She's always supported everyone. It's not only me, all the teachers, all the children. She takes care of each initiative of all the children, what they are doing, how they are doing. So I'm blessed by everything. And she's also a woman. So like, there's always a woman power, the strongest over
Going
here.
on.
Right.
Yeah.
And as such, I'm in such a city where just recently we had Durga Puja. Ma is always with me. I always say, Durga Ma, you're always with me. So
And
I got
Kali Puja also the goddess of strength.
yes.
Yes,
Very
that's
true.
what. And such a noble job you're doing, and we are very honored to have you on a show actually. And
Right.
do you want to convey anything on the Children's Day to your children, to the parents, to the
Yes, I
nation?
would like to say I'm feeling a bit sad because this is during this pandemic. We can't do anything more, but I can just give them a big hug from here and just say a happy Children's Day to all the children all over the world, not only from Kolkata, not only from my school, from everywhere, in every city, in every town, the whole world, because I love kids a lot. That's my dream, like to be always with kids.
Yeah, children, they are actually, source of energy for you, for
No,
anybody.
because see, their mind is like a sponge. Like we have learned, Maria Montessori, she always says the mind is like the sponge. Whatever they hear, whatever they observe, it's from us. So, we should make them, they are fully glued on us. They depend on us. They are fully dependent. What a teacher is teaching, she is the God, she is the goddess. Like I have seen many parents, they just join their hands. That what I get a love from the parents is a very great thing I'm getting. Like till now, I'm teaching from past 15 years, not in exactly in Loreto House. I've taught in many school in Xavier's, in La Martiniere as a just for a few months in Birla High. And thank God, luckily now in Loreto House from past 9-10 years. So I feel like I really want to be with my children. I like to gel with them. Become like a child with them.
But I can see, like you're so accommodative, people can approach you. So even the parents also must be feeling so comfortable. Otherwise, there are certain time there are phobia also, how to approach the teacher, how to
Oh,
talk to the teacher,
right.
That's approachable. So that is again that way,
I am quite a strict teacher. I am very firm with my words also because I want discipline. First, for my class, I really want a discipline. And I love my children, no doubt. But where it comes to discipline, I just tell them you have to be very disciplined for your good character, because we are upbringing the children. So for that reason, I want my children to be the best and perfect like me.
So this is actually what you want to convey mainly. So
Yes,
I'm a
yes.
teacher to the students on Children's
Okay.
Day, right? Yeah, being a
Yes.
teacher. And
And a
here,
very happy Children's Day.
to
Oh,
all the
so
teachers,
sweet.
yeah, to all the teachers, to all the students, please, even if you're grown up, don't let the kid inside you get trapped inside you.
Right,
Just
right.
let loose, be happy in life. And it's a children's day, so it's your day also. So let the kids
Yay.
be
And I would like
happy.
to continue my journey as a teacher. I would like to continue my journey as a teacher because it's a happy Children's Day. Never kill the child in you. Love you
And
all.
entertainment also. Thank you so much. I
Thank you,
know
ma'am.
it's so busy, but still we are very, very grateful to
I'm
you.
so
And
excited. I'm so excited to be with them always. I'm just waiting for an opportunity when this pandemic will go and I'll go and hug my babies.
Oh, so that's what. And from Sai Entertainment also, all the best to you. So
Thank
signing
you,
off.
ma'am. Thank
So, and
you.
thank you
Thank
for coming
you.
over. And happy Children's Day. We love you
Happy
all.